Good morning, guys. Woke up, went to the bathroom, brushed my teeth, all that. Put some water on the. What do you call it? I just woke up. Put some water to a boil. Now I'm gonna go get my cup. I'll go get some morning tea. The cave over there. I've been having some lazy days, guys. It's been good though. I'm just watching something, hanging out, trying to get my appetite to the point of being able to pour some milk over this. I think I'm just gonna smoke a cigarette, drink some tea. I'm not quite ready to eat. But yeah, I've been kind of just slacking off, chilling out, hanging with Moss for basically every day since I got here, every day since I moved in. I started going to bed earlier, which means I also wake up earlier, which I really appreciate considering the days are still very short. So it's nice to actually get a little bit of daylight instead of waking up when I usually do, between 12 and 4 p.m. Shit, man. Sounds kind of crazy when you say it out loud. But yeah, I'm appreciating it. It's nice to just calm down a bit and get some stuff in order. Natcha canceled yesterday. I was supposed to go to her to make sushi for her and Jason and her boyfriend, but yeah, we're gonna do it today instead. Unless she cancels again. I don't know, maybe. But I gotta go and pick up an e-bike charger for Dion's bicycle. So it'll be ready for him whenever he gets here. Um, and of course, in the meantime, people here at this place can just borrow his bicycle if they need to go shopping or something, because we're gonna have to put it through like a general checkup at Cykeltuten, the place for fixing bicycles. We're gonna have to put it through a general checkup before we actually hit the road, just to, remove rust, make sure the chain's alright, and all that stuff. I just want it perfect. Yeah. But people here, they can borrow the bicycle in the meantime, as long as they just return the battery or like put the battery back in a charger so it's ready for the next person. I think that's a pretty good way to contribute a bit here in the commune, saying, listen, I got an e-bike. If you guys need it for shopping, if you don't have a vehicle, you can borrow it. I think that's the right spirit. But yeah, good morning, guys. I'm just gonna wake up. It's a beautiful day, guys. Look at this weather. The scenery. I'm just going to the little train, catching the little train. I'm gonna be on public transport for like 2 hours. It actually takes just about as long to go from here to where Natcha's living, relative to going all the way from Fyn, which is a lot further in distance. Oh well, it's all good. I got the sun with me. Let's go. I'm rolling up a cigarette. Well, I'm about to. I think I can just catch one before the train gets here. Here comes the train. I'm just gonna spend all the travel time today finally catching up on videos. I'm like 10 days behind. Normally I'm only 7 days behind. I'm catching up. I was up to like 17 days behind. So let's get a bit more editing done here. Copenhagen Central. It's gonna be like 15 minutes before the S train leaves. So I'm getting myself a booster. You know, you guys love these things.
But I didn't know she was from my country because I was and I tried to speak English. And then I was scrolling her CV.
Look at all these election posters, all these grifters and scammers. Oh my god. You talk about immigrants sucking money out of the budget, they talk about broke people sucking money out of the system with welfare. But these people, they keep giving themselves raises every year. And the economy just keeps getting worse and worse. Oh well. I got a license to scam, buddy. You don't. Let's get over to the bus. Final stretch. I think I'm gonna go meet up with Natcha and Jason at a playground. Oh, look at that. The sun. It's been a while. Buena Vista Social Club.
Mueren ya las ilusiones del ayer. Es así, con lujurioso amor. Y mueren también con sus promesas crueles. La inspiración un día le brindé con candor. El alma entera yo le di, pensando en cuando escribió consagrar, sin pensar que ya lo que buscaba en mí era el amor de loca juventud.
Met up with Jason and Natcha. We're out shopping for sushi. Blue boosters. Jeg går bare og filmer lidt. Okay, må jeg se? Du vil vise mig din samling. Hvor skal vi starte henne?
Her.
Okay. Det er din Motsu-samling. De hedder Mini-Motsu.
Hvad? Der er med den her.
De hedder alle sammen Mini-Motsu. Dem her. Det viste du mig.
Og der er 2.
Ja. Hvad med dem her? Hvad hedder de? Har de et navn?
Kig med den her hedder her.
Står dens navn der?
Ja.
Den hedder en Mochi Pop.
Ja.
Jeg tror også, den er japansk. Jeg tror også, de er japansk.
Kig.
Måske.
Kig, hvad der står her.
Det er en Build-A-Bear.
Build-A-Bear.
Ja, det var det, der stod.
Prøv det her.
Der står Zoologisk Have København.
Ja.
Den er fra Zoologisk Have.
Ja. Vidste du ikke det?
Nej. Hvad med den her?
Den. Prøv at se, hvad der står her.
Den hedder Scoop.
Nej, kig, hvad der står her.
Nå, men der står alt muligt. Det er bare sådan noget kedeligt noget. Det er bare der, hvor den er blevet lavet hen. Hvad for en fabrik den er blevet lavet på. He's watching that, and I'm over here frying the shrimp and getting ready for a sushi building station right here. And the rice, I got them out cooling here. They're cooling off out there. About to eat soon.
Jeg gjorde det! Nu skal jeg bare væk fra den her.
Yo. Check it out. I finished making all the sushi. There's still more to spare over here. I made the one I normally make with fried shrimp, breaded fried shrimp, and then one I don't eat personally with raw salmon, and some hosomaki with just cucumber. And we got a few different things here. It's gonna be good. All that's left.
Det er du mange.
Jo, det har så mange af det.
Mange. Det der kan vi bruge.
Yeah. Playing the dinosaur game. I'm helping him progress here.
Og heroppe har jeg så taget et billede og lavet en dekoration bestående af brød og grøn kage, skaftepynt.
Nej, det er på mixen, jo.
Hvad?
Du er i mixen,